Walk slowly. I do it well, you do it badly, hard or softly. We do it together or alone. It is perhaps not perfect, but probably this is certainly how life works and leaks. Of course it is that way after all. Indeed I feel it, yes and no. Slowly or fast, glow. Unfortunately or fortunately, the day is almost around, approximately or exactly. Every word has its mouth. The whole world is very big, sometimes too much. Much happiness, little sorrow, more or less I feel. Mostly it is usually often. Sometimes it is rarely, never or always its own task. Of course it is that way after all. Oh, indeed I feel it, yes and no. Slowly or fast, glow. Unfortunately or fortunately, the day is almost around, approximately or exactly. Every word has its mouth. Again a day, also a chance. Even if it goes against me, just the thought of you. For example, this. So I write, but I search and I find, or I get lost because life is a wind. Of course it is that way after all. Slowly or fast, glow. Unfortunately or fortunately, the day is almost around, approximately or exactly. Every word has its mouth. Because I learn if I fall, then I get up. When I was small, when does the stop come? Although it so that I ultimately live.